The most remarkable evolutions are those that transform what has long remained unchanged. A redefined toilet emerges, a sleek design in which technology evolves from nature. Innovating with proprietary non-stick coating and antibacterial materials, every detail has been considered to enhance your comfort. Control is now at your fingertips. Reimagine cleaning that is smarter than ever and intuitively configures every aspect of the water flow. Discover groundbreaking drying performance and our ultra-efficient disinfectant technology for your peace of mind. Design and engineering interact to smoothly ensure hygiene, optimize water usage and space to make the most of every bathroom. With Roca Connect IoT technology, you can get water consumption insights, configure your personal preferences, and surpass your expectations. Maximum hygiene and comfort, now connected. In-Wash Insignia, the ultimate smart toilet.